As a chapter relations professional, finding the balance of working with chapters but for national can be challenging. Sound familiar? Some of the time, chapter leaders perceive you as solely aligned with national, and sometimes national perceives you as solely aligned with chapters. It's a never-ending balancing act of us versus them. Hi, my name is Grace Gardner with Community Brands, and I'm here today to help you build partnership and transparency with both national and chapter leaders. One way you can build this partnership and transparency is to work with chapter leaders on the definition of their success. First, take some time to work with chapter leaders to define what goals are right for them based on where their chapter is at in its life cycle. So for those chapters that are just starting out, their definition of success might mean growing committees. For chapters in decline, definition of success might be solely based on member retention. Collaborating with chapters to define their success will help build trust and partnership along with strong chapters. Now that you've empowered chapters to define their success, you need to know how they're performing on those goals. In the 2019 Chapter Benchmarking Report, we found that only 29% of associations have a formal assessment tool to track chapter performance. The solution? With an all-in-one association management software designed for chapters, you can easily receive automated reports on a monthly or annual basis with a progress update. With easy-to-access data, you can continue to collaborate, be a good listener, and build trust with your chapters. Surprise, surprise, technology is here to save the day again. Best of luck.